Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use tarot cards for yourself. First, choose a deck that truly speaks to you. This connection is vital for intuitive readings. Take time to understand the basic meanings of the major and minor arcana cards, as this forms your foundation. Set up a peaceful environment where you can concentrate without distractions. Remember, approaching your cards with an open heart and a specific question will greatly enhance your experience and the clarity of your insights. Before drawing any cards, take a moment to formulate a clear, open-ended question. Avoid yes or no questions. Instead, ask for guidance or insight. As you shuffle your deck, keep your question firmly in mind, infusing the cards with your energy. Once shuffled, cut the deck into 2 or 3 piles, then stack them back together. Finally, draw your cards with intention, placing them into a simple spread like a 3-card past, present, future layout. When interpreting your cards, begin by observing the imagery and symbolism present on each one. What initial feelings or thoughts arise? Next, consider the traditional meaning of each card within the context of its position in your spread. How does the card relate to your specific question? Look for connections and a narrative thread between the cards. Most importantly, trust your intuition. Your inner wisdom is your most valuable tool for understanding the messages. After your reading, take time to reflect on the messages and guidance you received. What resonated most deeply with you? Journaling about your insights can help solidify your understanding and reveal new perspectives. Think about how you can practically apply the advice to your current situation or challenges. Remember, tarot is a tool for self-reflection and growth. Revisit your readings occasionally to see how your journey has progressed and what new lessons have emerged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.